Child Arrangement Battle Secrets. Best Strategies Survival. Welcome to an unfiltered, eye-opening journey into one of the most searched, controversial, and life-changing areas of family law, child custody battles in the UK. I'm your host, and today we'll be guided by the expertise of Chris Aniche, Specialist Children Family Law Panel Solicitor, Resolution Accredited Specialist, and a solicitor advocate with over 2 decades of experience in the trenches of family courts. If you're a parent, grandparent, or just fascinated by real-life legal drama, buckle up because what you're about to hear could change your life, or the life of someone you love. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this audiobook because people are desperate to find this knowledge and you could be the one to help them. Chapter 1. The Shock of Separation. What really happens when families break down? Imagine this. It's a rainy Monday morning in London. The phone rings. On the line is a distraught parent. "They're taking my child. What do I do?" For Chris Aniche, this is not just another case. It's the start of a fight for a family's future. Child custody disputes, known in law as child arrangements, are the most emotionally charged, fiercely contested, and widely misunderstood areas of family law. Every year, thousands of parents in the UK find themselves in the middle of a battle that will determine where their children live, who they see, and how their lives unfold. Why is this topic going viral? Because the stakes are sky high, the outcomes unpredictable, and the myths endless. Let's bust some of those myths right now. Chapter 2. Myths versus reality. Who really wins in UK child custody battles? You might have heard, the mother always wins. Not true. UK courts are laser-focused on one thing, the child's best interests. Whether you're a mother, father, or grandparent, you must prove you can meet your child's emotional, physical, and developmental needs. Types of custody arrangements. Legal custody. Who makes decisions about the child's life? Physical custody. Where the child lives. Joint custody. Both parents share responsibilities. Sole custody. One parent has primary responsibility. Chris once represented a father who was wrongly assumed to have little chance. By meticulously documenting his involvement, school runs, doctor's visits, bedtime stories, he secured joint custody, smashing stereotypes and proving the system rewards evidence, not assumptions. Chapter 3. The Anatomy of a Custody Battle. Step by Step 1. Early advice is critical. If social services are involved or your ex is threatening court, get expert legal advice immediately. Chris Aniche and his team at Curling Moore Solicitors have rescued countless families by acting quickly. 2. The court's golden rule. The child's welfare. Judges consider the child's wishes, especially as they get older, the child's needs, emotional, educational, medical, the capability of each parent, any history of harm or abuse. 3. The parenting plan before court. Parents are urged to create a parenting plan, a detailed agreement covering residence, contact, holidays, and even phone calls. This isn't just paperwork's your first line of defense. 4. Mediation and non-court dispute resolution, NCDR. The law now requires parents to seriously consider mediation or other non-court options before launching into litigation. Refusing can cost you literally. Judges can penalize parents who don't engage in NCDR, even ordering them to pay the other side's legal costs. Chapter 4. How to win. Best practices from the experts. Top tips. Document everything. Keep records of your involvement, messages, school events, and medical appointments. Show willingness to co-parent. Courts reward parents who communicate and cooperate. Have a long-term plan. Propose clear, realistic arrangements for your child's future. Engage in mediation. Even if you think it's hopeless, showing up shows the court you're reasonable. Get specialist help. A solicitor who knows the system can make all the difference. I once helped a mother facing allegations of neglect. By gathering medical evidence and witness statements, and working with social services, he kept the family together and helped the mother access support to improve her parenting. Chapter 5. The Dark Side. False allegations, parental alienation, and social media. False allegations. Sadly, some parents weaponized allegations of abuse or neglect. The courts take these seriously but require evidence. If you're falsely accused, gather your evidence, stay calm, and let your solicitor do the talking. Parental alienation. When one parent tries to turn the child against the other, courts are increasingly aware of this issue. Judges can change residence if they believe a child is being manipulated. Social media pitfalls. Posting about your case online can backfire spectacularly. Judges and social workers will see your post. Keep your case off social media. Chapter 6. Special cases. When social services get involved. If the local authority believes a child is at risk, they may start care proceedings. This is a legal process that can lead to a child being removed from their family. Chris Aniche is a recognized expert in defending parents in these cases, often reuniting families by working constructively with social workers, gathering expert evidence, and ensuring parents access support. Best practice: if you're facing care proceedings, get legal help immediately. Legal aid is available for parents in these cases. Chapter 7: The Future of Family Law Trends for 2025 and Beyond. More transparency. Family courts are opening up, with journalists reporting on cases, anonymously, making the process less secretive. Rise of NCDR. Mediation, arbitration, and collaborative law are now the norm, not the exception. Expect more cases resolved out of court. Tech in the courtroom. Deepfakes and digital evidence are new challenges. Be careful what you submit, and expect digital forensics to play a bigger role. Law reform. Watch for changes in cohabitation rights, surrogacy law, and the recognition of non-traditional families. Final chapter: The Power of Perseverance. Message from Chris Aniche. Chris's story proves that no matter your background or the odds, you can fight for your family and your future. From a child told he had no future ambition, to a top family lawyer and inspirational speaker, Chris believes in transformation, both in and out of the courtroom. Take back control. Find your voice. The law is here to protect your children, and with the right help, you can achieve the best outcome for your family. Conclusion: your next steps if you're facing a child custody battle or know someone who is. Remember, get expert advice early. Document everything. Cooperate where you can, fight where you must. Put your child's needs first, always. If you found this audiobook helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Spread the word because knowledge is power, and every family deserves a fighting chance. For more insights or to contact Chris Aniche directly, visit Curling Moore Solicitors or search for Chris Aniche, Specialist Children Family Law Panel Solicitor on the Internet. Thank you for listening. Now go out and make a difference. Subscribe, like, share. Your support helps others find the answers they desperately need.